Hello students, welcome again RTPS online classes. Today we are going to learn class 7 civics chapter 4 growing up as a boys and girls. Boys and girls. So, in our society, being a girl and a boy is an important part of everyone's identity. It is an important part of everyone's identities. Means the societies we grow up in teaches us what type of a behavior is acceptable for boys and girls, which type of behavior is necessary for being as a girl or as a boys, what girls and boys can or cannot do. For example, the parents refuse the girls to play outside by saying that it is not good for them to play outside. But in the situations of boys, that is completely different in case of a boys. So in our society, make a distinctions between the boys and girls. This is the social outlook. So one question is here, do all the societies take the girls and boys in the same way? Is there any equality between the girls and boys? So no. So in this chapter, we will try to answer these questions. Most of the societies respect men and women differently. They give the different importance of both the works, men and women's. Means in our most of the societies do not give the equal respect of the work done by the women and men, because women do not get payments for most of these works in comparison to men. Their work is always underestimate. Means women who stay at home do not work. People think like that those who are stay at home, they do not work. But in reality, they do more work than the work done by a man. So in this chapter, we will learn the most societies value women and men separately, and the roles women play and the work they do generally valued less than the roles and the men play and the work done by do. So in this chapter, we will also discuss how inequalities between women and men emerge in the area of work, and what we are going to study in this chapter. So these are the topics are in this chapters. Growing up in Samoa in 1920s. Samoa is a group of islands in southern part of Pacific Oceans. Then these two case studies are given in these chapters. Second one is a growing up male in Madhya Pradesh in 1960s. These two case studies are here. So this will also we will discuss in these chapters. Valuing of housework and lives in a domestic workers and women's works and equality.